Welcome to our channel, where we explore monetizing nature, how to market unfinished wood for home decor. In this video, we take you into the captivating realm of unfinished wood, a material beloved by homeowners and designers for its natural beauty, versatility, and sustainable qualities. As the demand for eco-friendly and artisanal products rises, businesses have a remarkable opportunity to engage with this market by providing thoughtfully crafted items that align with consumers' values and aesthetic preferences. Join us as we uncover the potential of this unique material in the world of home decor. In the following chapters, we'll explore effective strategies for marketing unfinished wood, from understanding consumer preferences to leveraging social media and building a brand narrative. Whether you're a small artisan, a startup, or an established business looking to diversify your offerings, this guide provides insights and actionable steps to help you successfully navigate the landscape of home decor. Join us as we uncover the potential of unfinished wood and how you can turn this natural resource into a thriving business opportunity while promoting sustainable practices and creativity. If you enjoyed this content and found valuable insights into monetizing unfinished wood for home decor, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more engaging videos like this. Your support helps us continue to provide useful tips and strategies for budding entrepreneurs and DIY enthusiasts alike. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends or fellow creators who might benefit from these ideas. Stay tuned until the end for additional resources and exclusive content that will further enhance your journey in the world of natural decor. Your engagement makes a difference, and we can't wait to see you in our next video. In recent years, the demand for natural materials in home decor has surged, with unfinished wood gaining popularity for its rustic charm and versatility. This trend reflects a broader movement towards sustainable living and an appreciation for craftsmanship. By effectively marketing unfinished wood products, businesses can tap into this lucrative market while promoting eco-friendly practices. Understanding the market. To successfully market unfinished wood, it's essential to understand the target audience. Consumers today are increasingly conscious of their choices and prefer products that are sustainable and unique. This demographic includes homeowners, interior designers, and DIY enthusiasts who appreciate the beauty of natural materials. Researching trends in home decor can help identify specific preferences and styles that resonate with potential buyers. Highlighting unique selling points. Unfinished wood offers numerous advantages that can be emphasized in marketing efforts. Its versatility allows for customization, enabling customers to stain, paint, or leave it raw according to their personal preferences. Additionally, unfinished wood is often more affordable than finished alternatives, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. Highlighting these benefits can create a compelling narrative around the product. Crafting a brand narrative. A strong brand narrative can set a business apart in a crowded market. Sharing the story behind the wood, such as its sourcing, the artisans involved, and the sustainability practices employed, can create an emotional connection with customers. By emphasizing craftsmanship and the natural beauty of the materials, brands can foster loyalty and encourage repeat purchases. Utilizing social media. Social media platforms are powerful tools for marketing unfinished wood products. Visual platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are particularly effective for showcasing the aesthetic appeal of wood decor. High-quality images and engaging content can attract attention and inspire potential customers. Additionally, behind-the-scenes videos of the production process can enhance transparency and build trust with the audience. Collaborating with influencers. Partnering with influencers in the home decor space can amplify marketing efforts. Influencers often have established audiences that trust their recommendations. Collaborations can take various forms, from sponsored posts to product giveaways. By leveraging the influence of these individuals, businesses can reach a wider audience and enhance their credibility in the market. Offering workshops and DIY kits. To further engage customers, consider offering workshops or DIY kits that allow consumers to create their own wooden decor items. This hands-on approach not only provides a unique experience, but also showcases the versatility of unfinished wood. Workshops can be promoted through social media and local community events, fostering a sense of community and encouraging brand loyalty. E-commerce optimization. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial. An e-commerce website should be user-friendly, visually appealing, and optimized for search engines. Incorporating detailed product descriptions, high-quality images, and customer reviews can enhance the shopping experience. Additionally, offering customization options and clear information about sourcing and sustainability can attract conscientious buyers. Engaging with local markets. While online sales are essential, engaging with local markets can provide valuable exposure. Participating in craft fairs, farmers markets, and home decor expos allows businesses to showcase their products directly to consumers. These events are opportunities to build relationships, gather feedback, and increase brand visibility within the community. Building partnerships with retailers. Establishing partnerships with local retail stores can expand distribution channels for unfinished wood products. Collaborating with home decor shops, furniture stores, or artisan markets can introduce the brand to new audiences. Providing retailers with attractive displays and marketing materials can enhance the visibility of the products in store. Emphasizing sustainability. As consumers become more environmentally conscious, emphasizing sustainability can be a critical aspect of marketing unfinished wood. Highlighting eco-friendly sourcing practices, responsible harvesting, and the benefits of using natural materials can resonate with buyers. Certifications, such as FSC Forest Stewardship Council certification, can further bolster credibility and appeal to eco-minded consumers. Creating educational content. Educational content can position a brand as an authority in the home decor space. Blog posts, videos, and social media content that offer tips on using unfinished wood, care instructions, and project ideas can engage potential customers. This content not only drives traffic to the website, but also fosters a sense of community among wood enthusiasts and DIYers. Leveraging customer feedback. Customer feedback is invaluable for improving products and marketing strategies. Encouraging reviews and testimonials can provide insights into what resonates with consumers. Highlighting positive feedback on social media and the website can enhance credibility and attract new customers. Engaging with customers post-purchase can also create a sense of connection and encourage repeat business. Marketing unfinished wood for home decor presents a unique opportunity to blend sustainability with creativity. By understanding the target market, crafting a compelling narrative, and utilizing various marketing strategies, businesses can effectively reach consumers who appreciate the beauty and versatility of natural materials. With a focus on community engagement, education, and sustainability, brands can thrive in this evolving marketplace. Exploring design trends. Staying abreast of current design trends is essential for effectively marketing unfinished wood products. Popular styles such as farmhouse, bohemian, and minimalist aesthetics all incorporate natural elements, making unfinished wood a perfect fit. By regularly updating collections to align with these trends, businesses can attract style-conscious consumers looking to enhance their living spaces. Customization and personalization. Offering customization options can significantly enhance the appeal of unfinished wood products. Allowing customers to choose dimensions, finishes, or engravings can create a personalized experience that resonates with buyers. This approach not only meets individual needs but also fosters a sense of ownership, encouraging customers to invest in unique pieces for their homes. Seasonal marketing strategies. Seasonal marketing strategies can help businesses capitalize on specific times of the year when consumers are more likely to purchase home decor. For instance, promoting unfinished wood items as gifts during the holiday season or highlighting outdoor decor for summer gatherings can drive sales. Creating seasonal campaigns that reflect these themes can attract attention and increase engagement. Showcasing versatility. Unfinished wood is not limited to a single use. Its versatility can be a major selling point. From furniture and wall art to kitchen accessories and garden decor, showcasing the various applications of unfinished wood can inspire customers. Highlighting innovative uses through visual content and tutorials can make a compelling case for the material's adaptability. The importance of storytelling. Storytelling is a powerful tool in marketing. Sharing the journey of the wood from forest to finished product can create a narrative that captivates customers. Whether it's the responsible sourcing of materials or the craftsmanship involved in production, a well-told story can evoke emotions and deepen the connection between the customer and the product. The importance of storytelling. Storytelling is a powerful tool in marketing. Sharing the journey of the wood from forest to finished product can create a narrative that captivates customers. Whether it's the responsible sourcing of materials or the craftsmanship involved in production, a well-told story can evoke emotions and deepen the connection between the customer and the product. Thank you for watching the video. We appreciate your time and hope you found the insights on monetizing unfinished wood for home decor both inspiring and informative. If you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable tips and creative ideas. Your likes and shares help us reach a wider audience and allow us to continue bringing you high-quality content. We're excited to have you as part of our community, and we look forward to sharing more about the beauty of natural materials and innovative decor solutions in future videos. Thank you again for your support, and we can't wait to see you next time.